Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I will be sharing with you this quick and easy idea. You will be needing some flowers of your choice. You will be needing 3 of these candle holders, and we are going to turn them upside down. And practically what we're gonna do is we are going to decorate the edging of that candle holder with diamond wrap like so. And then right after that we are going to use some of this floral foam, and we are going to put it in the actual candle holder because we are going to be using it as a base for flowers. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing. Once you have your floral foam in there, then you will be putting in your flowers. I will be using white roses. Again, you can make it as colorful as you like. For the second vase, I decided to make it taller, so I went ahead and I used hot glue to glue the 2 candle holders together and create a taller vase. And I went ahead and put in some of these roses. And yeah, that is it. Very, very easy, but very subtle DIY. These are the final results. I hope that you like this tutorial, and like always, I will see you on my next video. Hasta la vista. Adiós.